Same-sex domestic violence don't start you. Make I repeat that. Same-sex domestic violence don't start. Chineke. Una no go understand why they laugh. Same-sex. Ah, now that's some of una just dey hear am again. Meaning say girl, boy, domestic violence don't start. The girl don't finally come out now. If una see, I don't even know what I will even want use now. Whether na the whole face, I been at the nose in particular, I been at the lips. I don't even know which one I won't come describe now. She herself go bring her matter outside though. Say same-sex domestic violence is real, my people. And I was assaulted by my partner. If una see this girl face, I bet put Kule. Now this one they talk say what a man can do, a woman can do better. Imagine in fellow woman. In fellow woman, now destroy, in fact, now disfigure this one as soon as they say like this. Woman like how we get breasts, we get the same thing. Now do this one. This one weak me. In fact, I am weak. I'm not just. I be waiting this one do now. Waiting we go talk say she do because I don't dey think. Well, wait if he bring the maybe she don't text Emeka where in female boyfriend can't see the message. We no, my dear. Oh. Sorry, because no sense. You they come outside now, they tell us, hey, your same-sex violence is real. Before, who no say violence is real? Your fellow girl beat you to stupor, and you they come outside, they announce, shame, no even they catch you. You not even feel just go hide your face. No, you not see say this girl foolish. You not they see foolishness inside this matter. Man go beat you inside relationship. Woman too go come beat you inside. I bet see. I know no, my people, it reach to laugh. It reach to laugh. No, just imagine. Women, they date men. Women, they marry men. They come outside, do videos, snap pictures, say, my husband. We they talk about real men now. My husband just beats me. This one. We they try settle matter. Now, woman and woman, they come outside. Me will settle their matter. That one, maybe now I go settle that matter. You date a man, wahala. You date woman, double wahala for that one too. As it be now, I don't even know where, no, how we even start to settle this matter, how we want, because this guy bring this matter to the wrong country, Nigeria. Even Lucky say, I'm not even there where you did. This one where they do you too small. And for add another one, maybe this one on your ear side. Which kind of nonsense? Who sent you message before? Even the one where if man they date woman where they normal, at least that one we see they find how we go settle now. We never settle that one finish. This one they come outside, they bring. I be make una give an advice. Me, I no get this one. Hey, if I suppose give this guy advice now, insult I go just finish am with. So it better make I just respect myself. You understand? Make una give her any advice we una get. Whether make she, I no go even list anyone say. Anyone where you get for her, I bet drop her for that comment section. She needs advice. She needs help. She needs which other English exists again? Make una give her. Me, I no get. This thing they annoying. Like it. Hey, that girl. Girl wey go do me this thing. I bet forget relationship. Oh. No, me will just I dey try put myself inside this kind of thing. It no fit happen, but me will just imagine I dey inside relationship with my fellow girl. I go forget say we dey date too. BT what will give you. No, who dating help? Just imagine problem wey una dey carry on top una self. No just I beg, I hand, when I see this matter, I don't bond do lang. Hand them over to una. Yes, it's the ball is in you people's court now. So anything one I won't do with her, I bet make una do her. I don't fulfill my mission, which is to bring her, make una know say now this thing don't happen. And if you dey watch me, you dey inside this kind of relationship, dey careful because they don't come advise you. Say it is very, very real, very, very important, my people. Una go soon get new presenter for this place, and guess where she's from? Yes, Southeast States. Anybody where you think of, why not drop her for that comment section, and don't forget to give this mumu her own advice, abi story where you get for her. Drop her for that comment section too. Make sure say you share this video, make all of them know say the violence I have started though, very, very important. And why not click on that notification bell too, so that you no go miss any interesting matter where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.